Number 5. Amazon Echo Show 15. The Amazon Echo Show 15 is the ultimate smart display for wall mounting. The photo frame feature allows you to showcase artwork and photos easily, making it the perfect addition to any home decor. The customizable widgets for calendars, notes, and to-do lists keep you organized and on top of your day, while Alexa provides personalized meal inspiration. One of the standout features of the Echo Show 15 is the integration of the Fire TV platform, allowing you to stream your favorite content effortlessly. Additionally, the ability to add smart devices to the home screen for quick access and view live camera feeds all in one place is incredibly convenient. What I love the most about the Echo Show 15 is its versatility. Whether you're using it to display artwork, stay organized, or enjoy entertainment, this smart display does it all in one sleek package. If I had to mention one thing I don't love about this product, it would be the size. At 15.6 it's one of the biggest smart displays available, which may not be suitable for smaller spaces. In conclusion, the Amazon Echo Show 15 is the best smart display for wall mounting thanks to its impressive features, including the photo frame function, customizable widgets, Fire TV integration, and smart home control, all in one eye-catching display. For a smart display that truly does it all, check out the Amazon Echo Show 15 today.